Welcome back to another one. It's just after 3 o'clock, September 14th, the second to last day of early goose season here in Wisconsin. We got 5 guys tonight. Chad invited us out for another one. Said they've been seeing just over 100 geese in here the last 2 nights. And it's actually that field we hunted in the last video. They got a new push of birds, getting some good north winds, and temps cooled down a little bit, so we're out here trying it again. We got some new hats in. I'll leave a link in the description below for the website. We got new hats, new hoodies, and re-upped on a lot of the stock that we already got going on in there, so check that out. But hopefully you guys are doing good this early season, and wish us some luck. Geese should be starting to fly around here pretty soon here, and hopefully we can make this happen today.
Try calling them. I'll just get down. I'll slide in here. It's just very unorthodox. See if they turn. So they're all kind of spinning right now. Stay on that side. Tell me to get ready if they're coming.
Right here. Come out, slow your shoulders, take them.
Oh, right side. Sure. Nice work.
Left side.
Got that one.
There's one of the decoys.
Trying to give me a high five. Oh, what are we at? I already forgot. We're at 12. No,
15.
Halfway there.
Well, it's roughly 6 o'clock. We just had our big group of birds came in. We were hoping that's not all of them for tonight, but we got 12 birds out of that whole group that was coming in. It's pretty hot and heavy pretty quick. So hopefully we get some more coming in, but we're got another hour left till shooting light closes, so hopefully more birds start moving through. No, I just got the one.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I didn't even see him.
I didn't see him until they were coming over. Hell yeah.
Damn, man, you got birds all over you.
Right?
I can grab him.
Everyone shoot?
I didn't shoot.
I didn't shoot.
Nice shot.
Like he was banking way left.
I'm like, no.
There and I was like, if that broke it, I'm right.
I hit a full trigger.
Turn my camera on. All I did is get everybody else shooting it.
You say the impact when I set your camera.
It doesn't really work that good. Joe Hines is better at it. Come here. You're dead. You look better for a picture when you're hanging like this. Stop it.
You liked it. I love singles. They're usually so stupid.
They're really fun to watch.
Well, closing time's officially here. We're walking back to get the vehicles right now to do a pickup. Chad was actually walking out of the field, go get his truck, and luckily it was only 7:04 and we could still shoot. There's a goose that ran over on the side of the hill that we couldn't see, and he picked his head up at Chad and came over and knocked that thing down. So I think we got a total of 16. We're gonna have to do a count, but we had 6 guys today. It was definitely a fun hunt. They all kind of came at once, which was kind of difficult, but had a single come about a half hour after that. But it was definitely a fast, fun hunt. I appreciate Chad for inviting me and Justin out again. Definitely a good time. So we're gonna have to get them on a hunt this year. And duck season's open in 2 weeks here in Wisconsin for the southern zone. So we'll definitely be out chasing ducks soon. But hopefully you guys are getting after them this year, and best of luck to you guys for duck opener. We got a lot more content coming out this fall. Planning on filming pretty much the whole hunting season. Me and Kopez are gonna be out bow hunting this weekend, and Kopez hasn't shot a deer, so we're gonna try to get him on his first deer. And got some bucks on camera, nothing crazy big, but definitely a shooter. So stay tuned. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more coming this fall. Again, just came out with a new hat, a new hoodie, and I'll leave the link in the description. So check it out, give us a follow, and I appreciate it. You guys have a good one. Best of luck.